Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Florida Blue insurance account, online enrollment guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Florida Blue website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to a login page. If you don't have an account yet, find the Create an Account link. Click on the Create an Account link to begin registration. You will now see the registration form. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your first and last name. Next, enter your date of birth. Provide your email address and ensure it is valid. Create a username for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Re-enter your password in the designated field to confirm it. Fill in your Florida Blue member ID or social security number if required. Continue by filling in any additional requested details. Once all fields are complete, review your information for accuracy. When you're ready, click on the Submit button. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link provided in your email to verify your account. Return to the Florida Blue login page. Enter your username and password. Click the Login button. You are now logged into your new Florida Blue insurance account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you encounter any issues, refer to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.